4 months ago, I got my C8 style taillights from a 2021 Camaro SS from Auto Addict USA, and man, I must say, they are absolutely beautiful. I love them. Guys, thank y'all for clicking and watching this video, and if you occasionally hear a bird in the background, I'm sorry about that, as I have an audience there, and a lot over there somewhere. I can't see those. But yeah, they've been out here watching me the whole time. So yeah, guys, let's jump straight into this 4-month review of the Auto Addict USA C8 style taillights for the 2019 and up Camaro. Now we're going to jump straight in by saying, if you end up liking this 4-month review, please go down below and absolutely smash that like and subscribe button, and to stay up to date with the build, smash that notification bell as well. So if you're not, you know, a returning subscriber, if you're brand new to the channel, I was the first full unboxing and install of these taillights on YouTube 4 months ago. I'm gonna start this by saying, on the 2019 and up models, you do have to remove the rear bumper. So let's go ahead and get that out of the way. You will see that in that install video popping up down below if you buy these and want to install them. You do have to remove this rear bumper because below the lights here, you do have a shelf that runs underneath, and that is bolted to the car. And you do not want to tear that up, just trying to rip them out of there. Now, do not get me wrong. The stock taillights on the 2019 and up models have that Euro look to them, and they look fantastic. But at the same time, I have received so many compliments on these lights here. It's just unbelievable. So when you start the car up, and show you what it looks like. It's gonna be loud for me right here. See, you got the check marks. It looks awesome. But when you start the car up, you see you got the turn signals that go out, like sequential turn signals. It's all LEDs, by the way. Looks fantastic. And when it's running, you have the check marks here. When you apply the brakes, as I will do here in a second, you see that these bars actually turn red as well. So let's go ahead and do that. So now I'm gonna show you real quick, if it's your first time seeing these lights, what it looks like to back up. You have a super bright white LED there that pops up when you put it in reverse. So let's show you what that looks like. It sounds like I'm in a freaking rainforest out here, man. I watch back at my videos, I'm like, oh my God, this is crazy. All right, let's get that reverse video for you. You headphone users, I'm sorry about the loud exhaust and the birds. Super bright white LED pop up on both sides. On the interior mark here, it looks awesome. I put some upgraded white bulbs in my stock lights, but they were nowhere near as bright as what those are. So talking a little bit about overall quality over 4 months. So far, no issues at all for these lights. Now, I have seen people say, you know, it was doing this or it was doing this, the turn signals were going off, etc. But that just chalked down to them not installing them properly. We took it step by step. Now, I do have to say, the instructions that come with these things are awful, god awful. Like, it's not really instructions, it's just talking about more product, really. So when I did the install of these lights, I really just jumped into it and figured it out. I do say though, let's go back here. I did change one thing. In that install video, don't mind the mess in the trunk. Probably not as messy as some could be, but in that install video, I put the big resistor up in here, And then I started thinking, I was like, man, that rain runs off and goes through that channel right there. So what I did is I took the whole bumper off again. This was about a week later. And I moved that resistor underneath that shelf down there where the actual GM clip is as well, to avoid being exposed to that direct runoff like that. I think that's a lot better option. So if you watch that install video and you did it the same way, consider moving it underneath that shelf down there, just running those wires through the little cutout in that shelf. I think that's a lot better option. As far as these wires here, is not much of a choice because it's got to run up and connect to your third brake light here. But I ran it up inside here, up along this, and up this here to behind here to hook into this. But yeah, guys, as far as that's the only changes I have made to this product. So let's get one good view of these lights here. Quick little swoop by video so you can see. They're a little dusty. I just washed the car, but you get a little road dust every now and then. Look at those things, guys. The fitment was pretty good as well. As you can see, about the same gap on both sides all the way around. And now if you want a side-by-side comparison, I'm gonna throw in a shot real quick just to show you what it looks like stock to these lights. And with that comparison, you can make your judgment on which ones you like better. But guys, I gotta say, as far as compliments and stuff, look at that Mustang. There's a Mustang coming out here. As far as compliments and stuff, these lights are a lot better. So I went ahead and drove home because it was starting to get dark, but I really wanted to get y'all some night shots of what these lights look like. So we're gonna start it up here. But the actual words on there, that is a vinyl overlay that you can find on my website popping up down below, www.jcscustomshop.com. So be sure to go grab one of those. Yeah, guys, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. 4 months later, I really love the lights. I get so many compliments on them. Haven't had any issues with them. And the only thing I did different within those 4 months is move the location of the resistor like I showed you earlier in the video. So yeah, I mean, easy install other than dropping the bumper. No issues like I stated before. And I'll continue making review videos as the months go by of this product. So I want to thank y'all for clicking and watching today's video. And if you liked it or you want to simply support the channel, please go down below and absolutely smash that like and subscribe button. And feel free to go check out my website, like I mentioned before, at www.jcscustomshop.com, where you can find that cool overlay vinyl for your third brake light back there, or many other vinyl products, as well as some custom painted products. So until next time, YouTube, another video coming out very, very soon. Appreciate y'all watching. Stay safe, keep driving, have fun modding. Peace out.